Prepare to peel and wash the potatoes. Cut the potatoes in half, then into smaller pieces so they cook faster. Boil the potatoes in water for about 15 minutes. Making the sauce. In a bowl, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, a bit of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix well. Delicious tteokbokki sauce is ready. Cut 2 green onions in half and then into appropriate lengths. Slice 2 pieces of fish cake in half, then diagonally into smaller pieces. After 15 minutes, drain the potatoes and put them in a bowl. Add about half teaspoon of salt and mash the potatoes while they are still hot. While the potatoes are still hot, add about 1 cup of potato starch. Instead of cold water, add about half cup of warm water and mix well to form the dough. Once the dough is formed, take a suitable amount, knead it a few times with your hands, and shape it into bite-sized tteokbokki pieces with your palm. It's better to make them small because long pieces might not hold together well and could fall apart while kneading. Using your palm instead of your fingers will ensure the dough is smooth and even. Put the potato dough into boiling water. When are they done? They will float to the top when cooked. At this point, take them out and put them in cold water to make them chewier. Then drain the water. Cooking the tteokbokki. Put 1 cup of water into a pan and add the tteokbokki sauce. Mix well. Add a sliced fish cake and dough. Cook over medium-high heat. When the sauce has reduced to your liking, add the green onions. Taste and adjust the seasoning with more soy sauce or sugar if needed. Chewy and delicious potato tteokbokki is done. Wow, look at this! These are so chewy and delicious. Try making this way when you don't have a tteokbokki rice cakes at home. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.